In this video, we will learn how to insert date picker in the Google Sheet. So let's start this in my Google Sheet. I just enter here the one date 1/02/2024, then 0/2/2024. Okay, this is a way I enter here the date. Instead of that, you can use in every cell the date picker and just select the date and get the date, full date here. So let's see how it's done. I just remove this date and select the cell where I want to enter the date and go to the data tab. Then click on the data validation. Then click on the add rules. Select in criteria is a valid date and click on the done. Okay, then just double click on this cell and pick up the date. Just double click and pick up the date. Just double click and pick up the date. If you click on other cell, you you can't pick the date from the calendar because you selected only this cell. Okay, so this is a way you can use the data validation to pick up the date from the calendar. So hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.